So what does Memphis, Texas, New Mexico, New Orleans, and Chicago have in common? You can get to those places without leaving the city limits. So today we're going to go to a place where the chef is well seasoned, all pun intended. She's traveled many places to bring you the best food possible. Where is this place, you say? At the corner of, and with the address of, we'll find. Couple of rules. Treat Cathy as if she's a celebrity. And if you don't, she'll call in a lethal weapon. They're piling in. No peeking. Yes, sir. Where can you go to all 5 cities without leaving the city limits? You're looking at it. And every place she went, she brought a little something back with her. Table 13, your food's ready. Make sure you get the good side. Now for your viewing pleasure, signature dishes. Recommended by the chef. If you're looking for something out of the ordinary, definitely try the shrimp stuffed chicken breast with asparagus. Let the creamy white wine sauce with the fresh garlic and cheese take you to another world. This dish gives you a little heat with a little sweet. Don't be afraid to lick your fingers on this one. How can you go wrong with the classic red beans and rice? Guaranteed to warm you up on any cold day. Come on in and try a bowl. Grab a spoonful for me. Those signature items are just the tip of the iceberg. There's a lot more on the menu for you to explore. It's good to have the hardware to back up the claim that you have the best desserts. Come on into Cathy's Kitchen, where everything is good and very good.